This is a Hunter. I think it's a Comfort Breeze Plus. I have it running on low. I got it for $10. And it's a good fan. It's a really good fan. It's a Hunter right there. But I'm going to turn it up to high now for you, like I did the Cheshire. Got a little high-speed wall. Wow, that thing's got some air to it. My gosh. Feel the air. I don't know if it's 52 or 54 inch. I think it's 52. But golly, look at that airflow. That is a lot. That would cool a large size room. Probably with no problem. Let me get a piece of paper here to show you. That's just the propane. Here. There we go. Let's see the air. Woo! Yeah? I'm blowing around quite well. And medium.